Hiro, why are we in the middle of a field?
Yeah. Pollen levels are killing my sinuses.
This is the best place to demo the long-range capability of our new suit delivery system.
Sorry.
Nasal spray can help relieve your congestion.
Thanks, Baymax, but I think I'm good.
Right now, the suits are at Fred's on the other side of the city.
There appears to be an error.
Sorry, guys. The code checks out. I don't know why that didn't work.
Hiro, it's just a fluke. Right, Wasabi?
Totally. Oh, I think I felt something pop.